from here, okay?
What do you see? Just look around. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. You just look around. Okay, you can admire. Go slowly. Don't rush. You can see and admire the flowers. All right. Okay, you stop here. Stop here. Huh. Okay, now you stop. Smile. Say something. Okay, cheese.
Which one? All these hangings are orchid. And what about this? Is this an orchid or no? This is also an orchid. Okay. These are the orchid that grows where? In the soil. And the epiphytes, they grow on the tree trunk. Okay. And like succulents. What are these called? These are called what? Ferns.
Look at this plant. Do you know? Is that flower? So, do you know the name of this orchid?
No, sir.
Tell me.
You come again during the you can see the picture plant. Right now, this is the flowering stage, which is already over. So I think you better take.
Coming. You guys are awesome. This picture plant. This is picture plant, but it has no jug. Jug is not formed yet because of the cold. Because it's very cold now here, so this jug is not forming. Okay? Yeah, the picture plant. Yes. Abi tanda ini ka?